In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Layout. By the end, you'll know how to create a clean, efficient workspace and tie all your tools together so they update in sync as you trade. First, once you're logged in, head to the top of the platform and click the plus icon. This opens your Layouts or Workspaces menu. If you've used the platform before, you might see existing workspaces listed here. That's fine. Today, we're starting fresh so you can build a layout tailored to your style. Next, choose New Workspace. Give it a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it at a glance later. For example, you might call it Day Trading if you want a fast, headline-driven setup, News Setup if you're prioritizing catalysts, or Options Flow if you're focusing on activity around contracts. Naming matters more than you think. It helps you switch quickly as the market changes without wondering what each layout contains. Now it's time to add your tools. Start with Newsfeed. This is your real-time stream of headlines and updates that can move markets. Keep it prominent so you can quickly scan for catalysts. Add movers to see top gainers and losers. This is great for idea generation and momentum scanning. Add signals to catch real-time alerts such as price spikes, fresh highs and lows, or other notable events that can mark turning points. Add details so you can pull up a stock's quote, key stats, and company info without leaving your workspace. Finally, add calendar to see upcoming earnings, conference calls, and important dates. Place each tool into the workspace and arrange them so your eyes travel logically, from idea generation to confirmation to deeper research. Don't be afraid to resize panels or drag them into side-by-side views until everything feels balanced. To make everything work together, link your tools. On any panel, click the three dots in the corner, then choose Link. Pick a link group and then repeat that on the other panels you want to synchronize. When panels share the same link group, clicking a ticker in one will instantly update the others. For example, click a symbol in Movers and the Newsfeed, Details, and Signals panels linked to that group will all snap to that ticker. This keeps your focus tight and reduces extra clicks. That's the core workflow. Create a named workspace, add the essential tools, arrange them clearly, and link them so they stay in sync. Keep your layout simple at first, refine as you go, and let the tools surface the right information at the right time.